starting with Wilbert from Pelham. Wilbert, good evening to you. How can we help tonight?
Yes, I got a question about the ladies in our neighborhood is harassing senior citizens and trying to borrow money and trying to get cigarettes and whatever. What can be done about that with the law?
Good question.
I couldn't really hear the question.
He said there's a lady in the neighborhood that is harassing senior citizens. She's trying to borrow money. She's trying to get cigarettes, things like that. And he's wondering what, if anything, can be done from a legal perspective.
Definitely. First thing is to notify the police. You know, I mean, we definitely don't want anything to come of that can be physical or harmful to any resident in their community. I know a lot of times too, you know, people, this is their private property, and so maybe no trespassing signs, right? First of all, just let people know, you know, this is my property, don't come onto it. I think that it sounds like a criminal matter there, that they're going to have to get the police involved to get a little bit more restraint. Unfortunately, you don't want to take matters into your own hands because we don't want anything to come from that. But it sounds like they're going to need a little facilitation from law enforcement with that.
And you know, I would suggest to Wilbert that if he is able to take a picture of the person, take a picture of their license plate, anything to help the police identify who this is, so that they can put a stop to it.
And what's happening. If they see it happening, take video so that they can provide it to a detective so they can further investigate. So that's not something that the residents are doing on their own.
Yes.
So it's terrible.
Because it sounds like be careful in terms of confrontation. That's not the way to go.
Yeah, because you don't know what's behind that. You know, you don't know what the young lady's motives might be, or you know, there could be some other issues that you're not aware about. Absolutely. And we have to be careful nowadays. You know, there's a lot of things going on, and mental health sometimes is something that exists in all of our communities that we have to just be cautious about.
Absolutely, absolutely. Wilbert, certainly hope that you will stay safe and call police as soon as you can. All the best to you in that situation.